Hey guys, it's Vince over at TG Vinyl Studio, and you can see it is just a little after 5:30, and the Suma is already working. And what I wanted to do is clarify in this video just how close you can be to the edge with this cutter. A lot of potential clients that are coming to us asking us lots of questions about the Suma, you can see we have literally about 1/4 of an inch between the actual wheels where the alignment pegs of where everything is going on the cutter, and it just cut out our production labels perfectly. Again, the matte vinyl we're using right here, you can take it out of the machine, just show them what we got. Just pull it forward a little bit. There we go. You can see these are for Cat 7 labels, one of our products, and the matte vinyl works excellent for this. If you really want that clarity and you don't have to worry about lamination, just quick print, cut, and go to work, this is the way to go. But again, if you guys are looking to get into a professional cutter, and when I say professional, I mean high-end, the T75 is not cheap, but you saw for yourself just how close this cuts. And again, the precision is just absolutely amazing. So you can see exactly what we got here. So I'll put links in the description. Again, we get a lot of requests for our matte vinyl just for production type labels. So you guys will be all set with that. Thank you for your support. Take care.